Hello and happy holidays from EdTech. Today, as part of our 12 days of EdTech, we're going to be taking a look at the tool TinkerCAD and how this tool can be used to create all sorts of models. Let's take a look. Welcome to TinkerCAD. So if you've clicked on one of the links that we provided you, you are here at one of the drawings, either APS Frosty Dude or the APS North Pole Express, or the APS Gingerbread House. However, if you have never used TinkerCAD before, you may be at a screen that says sign up to copy or join now. What you'll want to do is click in sign up to copy. And from here, you're going to put United States, pick your birth date, click next, put in your email and password. That will then create your account. Once your account has been created, you will have access to this model. So it'll look like this. You will have a button that says Tinker This. When you click on Tinker This, it's going to open up your own copy of this file. So some basics that you need to know when using TinkerCAD. The mouse wheel allows you to zoom in and out. If you click down on the mouse wheel, it allows you to move the whole area left or right, up and down. If you click the right mouse button, it allows you to pivot your model. And then the left mouse button is what you're going to use to select different things. When you select any object, you will notice that there are some grids around it. The little white boxes you see here are called grips, and those grips allow you to change the sizes of things. If you accidentally change something, you can do Command-Z on a Mac or Control-Z on a Chromebook or PC. These little black grips, again, allow you to do the same thing, but instead of dragging from the corner, you drag from the edges. There is also a grip on the top, which will allow you to change the height of the object. In addition, you'll notice these little rotators here to the left and right. These are going to allow you to rotate the model left and right. And again, you'll notice as I do this, there is a little degrees symbol that shows up here on the side. What you want to do is turn these 3 snowballs into a snowman. So we're going to start by clicking this one. If I click on this little arrow here, I can raise this up. I then click on the body of the snowball and I can move it over. Now, it's important that you zoom in and out and rotate around while you're working to make sure everything's straight, because if you don't, you can end up with something like this. We also have an alignment tool. If you select 2 objects, the alignment tool is found right here. If you click on alignment, you'll see all of these dots around it. I want to align this centered left to right, centered front to back, and now you see that my snowman is perfectly put together. I'm going to take my next piece, which is the head, bring it up, drag it over. I will raise it up a little bit higher, and then again, holding shift, I'm going to click the other 2 snowballs of my snowman, align it, centered, and centered. There's my snowman, more or less ready to go. Now, to put the arms on the snowman, I am going to want to raise the arm to the correct height, and then I want to rotate the arm so that it fits appropriately. I'm going to click this top rotator and rotate this 90 degrees to the left. With that done, I can drag my snowman arm and I can position it however I want to. If I want him to be waving, I can raise it up. Again, make sure you're looking at it from the side as well so you can get it placed kind of where you want it. All right. I have all my other pieces like my top hat, which I can bring up here and place on Mr. Frosty's head here. I've got Coles for nose and mouth. I've got the carrot here for his nose, and then a little Christmas present or holiday present for him as well. Again, notice when I turn to the side, his hat is not on. If you want to add more things to your snowman, you can always come over here to your shape selector. Now we have not only basic shapes, but lots of other options available here on the side. For example, if I click creatures and characters, I have some additional things that I can add. If I want to put sunglasses on my snowman, I grab the sunglasses, drag them in. I can then drag those sunglasses up. I'll bring them over here to put them on his face. Oops. And I might need to rotate those a little, whatever I want to do to get those on his face just right. Change the size a little bit. Bring it back so that it's on his face a little bit better. Woo! And there we go. Now Mr. Frosty's kind of cool. TinkerCAD is a great tool for creating all sorts of models and other things that you may want to create. And you see I've got other parts and pieces up here at the top that I can select from as well. If you want to create a brand new model, you can click up here on, not here on copy, click on TinkerCAD. That's going to take you back to your home page where all of your designs will live. Here you see all of my different designs. You can create a new design and you can start from scratch. So, TinkerCAD is a lot of fun. It's totally free. And if you happen to have a 3D printer available, you can also do things like export your model for 3D printing. All right, so if I come back here to my APS Frosty dude, then I can come in and click download, and I can download for 3D printing as a .stl or .obj, or if you're using a laser cutter, you can download a .svg. So again, happy holidays. Have some fun with TinkerCAD. It's a great first step in getting into the computer-aided drafting world.